Welcome to Exercise Explained. So today we would be doing question number 1 to question number 5 of motion in one dimension, exercise 2A, ICSE 9th. Hope you guys like the video. So let's start with it. Question number 1. The speed of a car is 72 kilometers per hour. Express it in meter per second. So when we get a question that it is 72 kilometers per hour, we should understand that the car can move a distance of 72 kilometer in 1 hour. So I can write it as 72 kilometer divided by 1 hour. So now what I would be doing is I would be converting the numerator and the denominator separately. So the numerator needs to be in meters. As you can see, the question has asked us to make it in meter per second. So we need to convert the numerator to meters and the denominator we need to convert it in seconds. So 72 kilometer can be written as 72 into 1000 meters because 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So 72 into 1000 meters divided by 1 hour is 60 minutes and each minute is 60 seconds. So we can write it as 60 into 60 seconds. So we have got 72 kilometer as 72 into 1000 meters and 1 hour as 60 into 60 seconds. So now we cancel the zeros. This 0 goes here, this 0 also goes. 6 and 10 are cancelled. So 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 5 is 10. So 6 into 3 is 18 and 5 I write it as 5 only. So whenever we have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we need to multiply by 5 by 18. Do remember that whenever we are converting from kilometer per hour to meter per second, we just need to multiply the number by 5 by 18. So 72 into 5 divided by 18. Now 18 into 4 is 72. So I cancel 18 and 72 and 4 into 5 is 20. So we get the value as 20 meter per second. So the most important thing what you have to remember about this question is when we are converting from kilometer per hour to meter per second, we need to multiply by 5 by 18. Now coming into the next question, that is question number 2, motion in one dimension, exercise 2A, ICSE 9th. Express 15 meter per second in kilometer per hour. So we have to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. In the previous question we converted from kilometer per hour to meter per second. Here we would be converting from meter per second to kilometer per hour. That means exactly opposite of the previous question. So when we hear that a vehicle is traveling at 15 meter per second, what immediately comes to our mind is the vehicle can travel a distance of 15 meters in 1 second. So 15 meter per second can be written as 15 meter divided by 1 second. Now we know that 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. So can I write 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. This 1000 goes to the other side and we get 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 1 meter is 1 by 1000 kilometer. Now 1 meter can be written as 1 by 10 to the power of 3 kilometers because 1000 is nothing but 10 to the power of 3. So 1 meter is 1 by 10 to the power of 3 kilometers. Now this can be written as 1 meter is 10 to the power of minus 3 kilometer. You have learned this in exponents last year, that is when we take a number to the numerator the power becomes negative. So here 10 to the power of 3 was there, as soon as it goes to the numerator it becomes minus 3. So 1 meter is 10 to the power of minus 3 kilometers. Now similarly, we will be doing converting seconds to hours. So 3600 seconds is 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, and each minute has 60 seconds. So 60 into 60 gives us 3600. So we can write 3600 seconds is equal to 1 hour. So if this 3600 comes to the other side, I get 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 hours. So 1 second is nothing but 1 by 3600 hours. Now what I would be doing is, I know 1 meter is 10 to the power of minus 3 kilometer. So 15 meter will be 15 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kilometer, or we can write it as 15 by 1000 kilometer. So I would be substituting 15 meter as 15 by 1000 kilometer from here, and 1 second I would be substituting it as 1 by 3600 hours. So we get it as 15 by 1000, that is 15 meters is written as 15 by 1000 kilometer, and 1 second is written as 1 by 3000 hours. So sorry. So this is of the form A by B divided by C by D. You can see A is 15, B is 1000, C is 1, and D is 3600. So A by B divided by C by D is nothing but A by B into D by C. We multiply with the reciprocal. So that happens to be 15 by 1 into 3600 by 1000. So we can write it as 15 into 3600 divided by 1000. 0 0 cancels here, 0 0 cancels here. So what we get is 15 into 36 divided by 10. So which is equal to 54 kilometers per hour. We cancel by 5 here, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. And after that I cancel 36 by 2, so we get it as 18. 18 into 3 gives me 54 kilometers per hour. The link to the rest of the questions, that is 5 onwards, 5th will be done here, so 6th onwards will be there in the description below. Do watch those videos and do share it with your friends. So coming to question number 3 of exercise 2A ICSE 9th. Express each of the following in meter per second. So the first one is 1 kilometer per hour. So 1 kilometer per hour, as we have already learned in the first question, we are converting from kilometer per hour to meter per second. We multiply the number by 5 by 18. So I would directly multiply by 5 by 18. So 1 into 5 by 18. So that gives me 0.278 meter per second. Coming to the next one, 18 kilometer per minute. Now 18 kilometer per minute means that the vehicle is traveling 18 kilometers in every minute, or any object is traveling 18 kilometers in 1 minute. So we can write it as 18 kilometer divided by 1 minute. Now as usual I will be converting the numerator, that is 18 kilometer, to meters, and 1 minute I would convert it to seconds. So as all of us know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, so 18 kilometer will be 18 into 1000 meters, and 1 minute is 60 seconds, so we can write it as 18 into 1000 divided by 60. Now we can cancel 0 0 and 6 3s are 18, so 3 into 100 gives us 300 meters per second. Coming into question number 4, motion in one dimension, exercise 2A, ICSE 9th, that is, arrange the following speeds in increasing order. First is 10 meter per second, second is 1 kilometer per minute, and the third one is 18 kilometer per r. So in this case, what basically happens is we need to equate the units. That means I would be converting 1 kilometer per minute to meter per second, and I would also be converting 18 kilometer per hour to meter per second. We need to arrange them in increasing order, that means smaller to bigger. So 10 meter per second is already there in meter per second, no need to convert. I'm converting 1 kilometer per minute. Now if a vehicle is traveling at a speed of 1 kilometer per minute, we understand that the vehicle can cover 1 kilometer in 1 minute. So we write it as 1 kilometer divided by 1 minute. So that can be written as 1000 meter, that is 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, divided by 1 minute is 60 seconds. 0 cancels, and 100 by 6 gives me 16.67 meter per second. So 1 kilometer per minute is nothing but 16.67 meter per second. Now coming to the last one, that is 18 kilometer per hour. When we are converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, as we did in the third question A part and the first question, we will be multiplying this by 5 by 18. So I multiply 18 into 5 by 18. 18 and 18 cancels. So we get it as 5 meter per second. So 18 kilometer per hour is 5 meter per second. Now we just need to arrange them in increasing order. So you can already see 5 meter per second is the lowest, followed by 10 meter per second, and the largest here is 16.67 meter per second. So we can write increasing order is 18 kilometer per hour lesser than 10 meter per second lesser than 1 kilometer per minute. So coming into the fifth question, that would be the last question for this video. That is, a train takes 3 hours to travel from Agra to Delhi with a uniform speed of 65 km per hour. Find the distance between the two cities. So the train is taking 3 hours to travel from Agra to Delhi. The speed is continuously at 65 kilometers per hour. We just need to find the distance. So since it is given as uniform speed, it is not a variable speed, it is a constant speed. So we should understand here that the train is continuously traveling at 65 kilometers per hour. So here we can directly use speed is equal to distance by time formula. So speed is equal to distance by time. Distance will be equal to speed into time, since time goes to the other side, gets multiplied. So we get distance is equal to speed into time. So the speed is given as 65 and time is given as 3. So 65 into 3 gives me 195 kilometers. So the distance between Agra and Delhi is 195 kilometers. Hope you guys have liked the video. Question number 6 onwards will be there in the next video. The link for that video is going to be in the description. Do watch the video. Dhanyavad.